The ostrich? What time do you let out the ostrich? Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the logbook. My name is Jeff, but you can call me Frodo. Long road ahead of me today. I don't know how many kilometers because I don't really count them, but it is going to eventually have dirt in it. Hopefully, maybe turtles. Definitely cement roads for the first bit. So, yeah, it was a long, really difficult morning. There was things keeping me up, and yeah, so I couldn't get back to sleep, so I just kind of like bleh. Anyway, such is life, but let's head to the map. All right, mapping it up. So we started yesterday in in Nevada, which was awesome, and then we continued along in the dirt for a while, and then we took this dirt road that went down there. It was super curvy. It was fun. And then we were just outside of Mitla, sorry. All right, so we're in Mitla now, and we flip for south. I looked at getting some dirt roads going down here because I kind of want to stay away from here, but I wanted to get down to here somewhere. So I found a dirt road in this area, so hopefully we can stay away from here. I think there's a dirt road in here, so let's aim for it. Let's have some fun. So today we are headed down the highway, but it's cold out still, so let's get some breakfast. This town is pretty beautiful, so I'd like to get any minute I can and stay in it. Okay. Uno, dos, tres. Gracias. Whoosh, chow. We are going to find a breakfast place as soon as I put my keys in my ignition. Great start to the day. Great start. A little sketchy there. This should be a interesting day. We gotta go on the highway and then get into the dirt kind of halfway down. I'm in my regular walking around clothes because wearing dirt clothes is not the most fun. Comfortable is what I kind of mean. There we go. That's funny. Anyway, here we go. We're actually doing stuff. Alright, it's coming up here. Oh, it's the same one from yesterday. That's so funny. And it's closed. Is that place ever open? Well, unless we can find something along the way, I'm gonna call it a roll. It is a little chilly out, so I might want to put on something. But yeah, onward, let's do it. And here we go. This is getting on a long, boring highway. I am going to do you guys a solid, and I'm going to I'm not going to make you watch this whole thing. One day I will. But yeah, I'll see you when we get to breakfast and gas. So yeah, I didn't make you go through the whole thing, although it was kind of fun. You know what? Let's just start from the very beginning, because then we can get the whole thing. So, Jeff, you want to do some narration? Hours of coffee and hanging out, then bags packed. As soon as I got out of there, I saw how much mescal was everywhere. And then I found a awesome breakfast joint, and then I stumbled around in Spanish.
Sería una chilaquiles con huevo.
Sí,
¿Tienes chorizo? Sí, sí, huevo y chorizo.
Ajá, serían de dos.
Sí, ok, gracias.
So this place isn't open yet, but you can just see this is a mescaleria. So they probably do all these sorts of different mezcal tastings, and then there's probably a hotel hooked up to this place so you can stay an extra night. But it's pretty great. I mean, look at this place. So many. It must be all the stuff that they make here, plus maybe some of their friends' stuff, but it's a lot. I saw an ostrich out back too. I kind of want to go check that out. Hola. These are, from what I hear, scary, so I'm scared. ¿Es peligrosa?
No.
¿No?
No.
¿Sí? ¿Sí?
Sí.
No.
Sí.
¿Sí?
Sí.
Ah. Ah. Oh, that's fun. Gracias.
Sí, de nada.
Muchas gracias. Whew. Oh, that was fun. We then got back on the road with the little info on the area's relationship with mescal. We are in the center of mescal. You can see mescal places everywhere, and topes. And this, if you were to say tequila is where tequila is made and blah 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 blah, that is where all of the tequila is made. Mescal doesn't have a region, it's not region based, but by volume, this area between Oaxaca and wherever we're going, the coast, is where most of the mescal comes from. All tequila is mescal, but not all mescal is tequila. That's a fancy way of remembering it. There you go. Trivia. Now back to the boring road. Bing! This road was anything but boring. It was so fun. Every once in a while I look down at my navigation and it is awesome. That's what I get to do. Everything was going great until I got to my dirt turnoff. Well, that's a bummer. Oh, that's a really cool tree. Anyway, I stopped for a minute because that narration was so lovely. I actually wanted to, it's later in the day and I wanted to go check out the sunset. Obviously we didn't get to do dirt, which is a bummer, but we still got to the ocean. We're in Salina Cruz, and it is further east? No, west? No, east than we wanted to be, but we're here. It's the only place to go, and I want to go see the beach, and I want to see the sunset. I don't know if there's turtles around this area, but we're going to go check it out. That's cool. Beach break. Cool. See if there's another place around where we can hang out. I really didn't do any research on this town because I didn't know that we were going to be here. So I don't know anything about this place. Oh, we got floppy-eared dogs. No horns, but little baby floppy-eared dogs. That's cool. We are doing a little off-roading in town. Oh. So this looks like the way to get there. That looks like... Oh, anyway. Yeah, looks like I found a way to maybe a little beach thing. It is, how do you say, kind of a back road. Oh, this is cool. Oh, yeah. Now that's what we're talking about. Nice. Yeah. I'm gonna channel my inner Brady. This place is beautiful. Wow. Really something. Just surprises. This is fantastic. Who'd have thought? Just wound up at this place. Well, I would love to stay for the end of this, but I have no idea where I am and what this town is like. So I'm gonna get to some sort of relative safety. Pretty gorgeous. Well, I wonder what this town is like. Well, I found a hotel, and it's apparently not in the sweetest of areas. Jesus. So let's see how this goes. I'm definitely going down the wrong way on the one-way street, but no one's yelling at me yet. Let's get off that street. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Okay, I think it's right here. I remember the photo. I try to do everything by memory right now, which is fun. Oh, nice. Yeah, so this is my room. Not bad. It's got a living room, a 2-bed and bath. Yeah, that's pretty good. Anyway, yeah, I guess it was a short day today. It was really nice actually getting in here and seeing this town. So, yeah, it's a shorty, but hopefully it was fun. I really like that beach, and you know, anytime you see an ostrich, top notch in my books. If you like this episode, give me a mini thumbs up, or a big thumbs up, or a high five. It's all the same button down there in the like button. And if you want to see what happens tomorrow, let's flip the coin right now. Okay, we can go north because we're as far south as you can get, or from there we can go right, and that'll take us towards, I don't know, Guatemala, I guess. All right, here we go. Whew, good flip. What's next? Oh, it's right. Here we go. We're going right. Yeah. So we're heading towards Guatemala. Yeah. Let's see if there's some beach riding along the way. That'd be fun. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this episode, give me a mini thumbs up, or a big thumbs up, or a high five. It's all the same button down there in the like button. Or if you want to see whatever right is tomorrow, and maybe if I ride a beach, then press the subscribe button and subscribe and join along the way. And you know, have a great day. Go out there, find someone, and make them laugh. My navigation, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Whoa. Yikes.